Most handheld vacuum cleaners are aimed at tackling your entire home, but the smaller Vorwerk Kobold VC100 is a little different. This model is for cleaning up small spills quickly, making it a useful alternative to a dustpan and brush. This handy kitchen assistant features simple controls and a funky design, but the small bin and lack of accessories may put some people off. With its cylindrical white body with green accents, the Vorwerk Kobold VC100 looks more futuristic ray-gun than handheld vacuum cleaner. Sensibly, Kobold has made the bottom of the VC100 flat, so that the vacuum cleaner can be placed on a worktop or table without fear of it rolling of the sides. Even so, I found that I had to be careful putting it down, as it's easy to place it off-center and have it roll away. Weighing 650 g, with the center of gravity shifted to the end of the cleaner, the Vorwerk Kobold VC100 is light and easy to maneuver. It's also one of the smallest handheld vacuum cleaners I've seen, measuring just 83 x 83 x 425 mm. This compact size has its downsides, however. Most notably, the bin capacity. At just 0.2 liters, the cleaner is limited to tackling minor spills. Emptying the cleaner is easy enough. Simply tap the button, pull the two halves apart, remove the filter and empty the bin. Given the small capacity, emptying the vacuum without making a mess is straightforward.